the cult of Cybele appeared, as we know historically, in Phrygia. So Phrygia is roughly modern Turkey now, what we call Asia Minor. What is the most interesting thing about this cult? It was arduous, as they say, on what it was. It was quite colorful. Fun, ancient gay pride parades, where dudes would march around, you know, beating drums, blowing horns. Sometimes they'd whip themselves with whips. So to speak, cut their balls off in ecstasy, so to speak, and throw them at the wall of a passing house. And accordingly, the women who lived in the house would give them women's clothes, and the dude would become the new priest of Cybele,